Hey everyone, welcome to the WealthWise Academy podcast. I'm your host, James Carter, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for financial stability, building and maintaining an emergency fund. And joining me is the ever insightful financial expert, Susan Dale. Susan, glad to have you here.
Thanks, James. Always a pleasure.
So, Susan, let's start with the basics. Why is an emergency fund so important?
Oh, absolutely. It's the safety net everyone needs. Imagine, James, your boiler breaks down in the middle of winter, or you suddenly need to fix your car. An emergency fund helps you cover these unexpected expenses without breaking a sweat or dipping into debt.
Right, and it's not just about having a stash of cash, it's about peace of mind, isn't it?
Exactly, James. It's about reducing financial stress. Now, a good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. But starting small is key.
Yeah, I remember starting mine with just £500 and gradually built it up over time.
That's perfect. Start with what you can and build up. I often tell my clients to automate their savings. Set up a direct debit that goes straight into your emergency fund every month.
Automation really makes it a no-brainer, doesn't it?
It does. Even if it's just £20 a week, it adds up.
Now, Susan, are there any common pitfalls people should avoid when building their emergency fund?
Oh, definitely. One big mistake is dipping into the fund for non-emergencies, like, that new gadget isn't an emergency no matter how shiny it is.
Guilty as charged. I've been there.
Haven't we all? Another is not revisiting your goal. As your expenses grow, so should your fund.
That's a good point. Just because you said it once doesn't mean you're done forever.
Exactly. Life changes, and so should your saving strategy.
Susan, do you have any personal stories where an emergency fund came in handy?
Oh yes. A few years back, I was on holiday and my flight got cancelled. I was able to book another flight without stressing, all thanks to my emergency fund.
That's a perfect example. Travel hiccups can really throw you off.
They sure can, and it's not just about having the money but having that peace of mind while traveling.
Alright, Susan, thank you for sharing your insights and practical tips on building and maintaining an emergency fund. This has been incredibly informative.
My pleasure, James. I hope everyone listening is inspired to start their own fund, no matter how small.
And that's it for today's episode, folks. Thanks for tuning in to the WealthWise Academy podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review.